In this video, we're going to show you how to fix high memory usage on your Windows PC. Alright, so we are on Windows 11. This can work on Windows 10 or even older ones. So what you want to do is click Control-Alt-Delete and click on Task Manager. So you can't see that because it's blacked out for some reason. You can't record that, but everybody knows how to open Task Manager. So we are now in Task Manager and click on, we are now in Processes, right? Here on the left, there's like a small group of menu options here on the left hand side. We are in the Processes. Click on the second one below it, which is Performance. And you're going to see here the performance of your CPU, which is your chip, your memory, which is your RAM, disk, your Ethernet, and your GPU. And as you can see here, our memory is at 58 since we are doing some stuff. So we have OBS running, and then we have also Google Chrome on the background. So that's why it's a bit high. You know, it's over half of our memory. So just to show you, this is where you can monitor your memory. So again, let's go back to Processes. So the best option on how to lower memory usage is, as you can see here, we have apps. As you can see here, we have Discord, Google Chrome, Notepad, OBS, Task Manager, and Windows Explorer open. These are openly active programs that we are using at the moment. Background processes, however, are the ones that are just static on the background, which is they are running on the background. So you need to see which ones you are not using, right? So for example, gaming services, we're not using that. So right click and then just click End Task, right? And it's gone. Microsoft Edge, so again, right click and then click End Task, and just go throughout all the background programs that you see that you might not be using, and that's pretty much the easiest way to do it. And if you go back again, as you can see, it lowered a little bit. We're still halfway, but it lowered a little bit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.